Look at my shiny new paint. Sir Topham Hatt will definitely choose me now. I'm here, sir. What? You've all got shiny paint too.
Ah, good. You're here, Thomas. I haven't chosen the engine to take the important visitor around yet, so you three will have to do your normal jobs today. I'll choose one of you later.
I think we should all take it in turns, because it looks like we're all ready.
No, Percy. Sir Topham Hatt will choose me, and I'll take the visitor around all by myself.
He won't choose you, James. He'll choose me because I'll finish my job first.
But I'll do a better job than you. Watch me.
We'll see about that. Okay, Annie and Clarabelle, we need to be very fast today, so I can take round the important visitor later. I'll just fill up with extra water so we can go even faster. Ew, what's this? This isn't water.
Looking good, Thomas. I forgot to tell you. I filled up that water tower with slime, with a little help from Rascal Funneling. I doubt Sir Topham Hatt will choose you now, looking like that.
Oh, I'll get you back, James.
This should be easy. I'll just pick up my coal truck. Uh-oh. Why did Rascal Funneling run away from my truck? Oh.
Looking good, James. I think we're even now. Ha-ha!
Grrr. Okay, Rascal Funneling, change the points so Thomas goes the wrong way. Oh, after you, Thomas.
Yeah, that's right, James, as I have the more important job. Uh-oh! Oh no!
Unlucky, Thomas. While you're stuck here, I'm on my way back to Sir Topham Hatt. Unlucky.
What happened? I heard a crash, so I brought Rocky. Oh, thank you, Percy. Quick, help me back onto the track. Thank you. I'm coming for you, James. Thomas! But Thomas! You forgot your passengers! Oh dear.
I've made this muddy.
Uh-oh.
Looking good, James.
No, you did this, didn't you, Thomas?
I'm here, sir. I can take around the important visitor.
No, I'm here now. I can do it.
You will most certainly not. Look at you both. And why hasn't any engine done their jobs? Not even Percy's finished yet.
Sorry I'm late, sir. I had to move James's coal for him and then drop off Thomas's passengers. I'm afraid I didn't have time to deliver my mail.
That's okay, Percy. Thank you. I think it'll only be right if Thomas and James delivers your mail, Percy, while you take around the important visitor.
Oh, thanks, sir. But I'd still like it if we all took it in turns to do it. please?
Oh, okay, very well, Percy. Thomas and James, you better go clean yourselves up.
Thanks, Percy. And all 3 engines took it in turns to take around the important visitor and deliver Percy's mail.